A king built a grand building, in which thousands of mirrors were installed. Once a dog somehow got into the building. At night, the watchman closed the door and left, but the dog remained in the building. When the dog looked around, he saw thousands of dogs around. He could see a dog in every mirror. The dog had never found himself caught between so many enemies. If he was half a dog, he might have been able to fight him and win, but this time his death seemed certain, because wherever he raised his eyes, he saw only dogs. Above, below and all around, only dogs were seen. When the dog wanted to scare these dogs by barking, thousands of dogs also started barking, because when the sound of his own barking echoed in the silent building, he felt like thousands of dogs were barking. His body trembled. He did not try to escape, because he was surrounded. In the morning, when the watchman opened the door of the building, there was the body of the dog. There was no one in the building to kill him. The building was empty, but the dog had wounds all over its body and it was covered in blood. What happened to this dog? In fear, that dog barked, jumped, hit the walls and died from the fear of dogs like him. That is, that dog died by killing those enemies, who were not really there.